Today, we're going to explore factoring quadratic equations. Factoring is the process of breaking down an equation into simpler expressions. A quadratic equation has the form x squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. Let's try to factor the quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6. We need to find two numbers whose product is 6 and whose sum is 5. These numbers are 2 and 3, so we can write the equation as x plus 3 times x plus 2. So the factored form of the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 times x plus 2. Now that we have the factored form, we can solve for x by setting each factor equal to 0. Setting the first factor equal to 0, we get x plus 3 equals 0. Solving for x, we get x equals negative 3. Setting the second factor equal to 0, we get x plus 2 equals 0. Solving for x, we get x equals negative 2. Let's try to factor another quadratic equation x squared minus 7x plus 12. We need to find two numbers whose product is 12 and whose sum is negative 7. These numbers are negative 3 and negative 4, so we can write the equation as x minus 3 times x minus 4. So the factored form of the equation x squared minus 7x plus 12 is x minus 3 times x minus 4. Now that we have the factored form, we can solve for x by setting each factor equal to 0. Solving for x, we get x equals 3 and x equals 4. And that's it. With these examples, you should now have a better understanding of how to factor quadratic equations.